अंपायर ने देखा ही नहीं।
And that was a dead ball.
मैं इधर आ रहा हूँ.
हम लोग दोनों इधर ही आ जाते हैं. डेविड.
And the first ball. A great shot by UV towards mid wicket. That's a single.
1 ball, 1 run.
What a brilliant shot by Rishik, and it's another single. 2 balls, 2 runs.
Well played on the leg side by UV. Another single. Good start, good steady start. 3 balls, 3 runs.
वो नहीं दिखा मैं कैसे बोलूँगा.
And that's a dead ball. 2
lobs.
bounce before the crease, it's a dead ball. A brilliant shot towards mid on. 4 balls, 4 runs.
And that's a tight run. Oh, it's a misfield. 1 run, 1 run on the misfield.
This is the age
And
category
it's a
of
power ball. Now the power ball.
the runs would be doubled and a wicket is -3.
स्टंप के पीछे का रूल नहीं रखा.
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
एक मिनट. अंपायर,
इनके लिए रूल नहीं है बच्चा को. आप लोग के लिए नहीं है वो रूल. पावर बॉल है.
And,
and
it's
that's a wide.
इसने अनाउंस किया.
किसने?
नहीं पावर बॉल नहीं है.
चलेगा चलेगा भाई. पावर बॉल 11 to 15 में भी नहीं है.
बच्चे को नहीं रखा.
11 to 15 में भी नहीं है.
इसमें नहीं रखा हम लोग ने. Score please. Score. 1 over, 7 runs for the loss of no wickets.
11 to 15 में
है उसमें है.
Bowler's name? Vitabhya.
The second over starts now. On strike, Rishik. And it's a no ball.
अरे वो है
बोल
ना.
दिया उधर यार.
Free hit. नहीं ये डेड.
And Yuvan is
That's the
out.
first wicket.
The first wicket for Pushpa Warriors. Yuvan
Catch.
has been caught out.
UV trying to accelerate. UV trying to accelerate the innings.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Bad luck, UV. Next time.
आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम? देवराज.
Devraj. The catch has been taken by Devraj.
Arnav is the next batsman.
Arav.
Arav.
हाँ बोल रखा है. टीम आ गई है बस.
And that's good fielding.
Rishik, the captain, is on strike right now. Bowling is with Abhay, the other team captain.
And that's a
And
direct
that's a very
And
good play
that's
by
a
Soham. Direct hit and Arav is out. A brilliant throw by Soham. Next batsman, Harshvardhan.
good field set by Vitabya directly into fielder's hand, and that's a run out.
हाँ डायरेक्टली सोहम सोहम
And that's a wide. And a very cheeky run by Rishik.
अभिषेक
अरे बोल दिया नहीं फर्स्ट इनिंग होने वाली उसके बाद
And that's over. 2 overs are down. And the score is
13. 2 overs, 13 runs for 1 wicket, 2 wickets.
the next bowler.
सोहम इसका नाम क्या है जो बॉलिंग करने आ रहा है हाँ
The next bowler is Satwik. Third over, Rishik to face. And that's a wide ball. And a single. So that's 2 runs on a wide ball.
Well bowled.
Well
Dot
bowled and
ball.
well kept. The keeper is very energetic.
And that's another dot ball.
So after bowling a wide ball, the bowler is redeeming himself. That's a dead ball.
Dead ball.
That's a dead ball.
Dead ball.
Dead. It's a dead ball.
Pushpa Warriors got off to a steady start, then lost 2 wickets, and now 2 dots.
And that's a single stolen by Rishik. It's a bye. 1 run. And a brilliant shot by Rishik. Single. Harshvardhan on strike.
Another single to the score. Last ball of the over. And an overthrow looks like. Yes, that's an overthrow.
Rishik has been playing tactfully with the bowler.
Last ball of the over. Shit.
And a brilliant shot by Harshvardhan. Rishik again trying an
Good
overthrow.
fielding. And that's an over.
3 overs 20.
3 overs, 20 runs for 2 wickets.
It's a very steady start by Pushpa Warriors. Halfway, 3 overs, 20 runs, 2 wickets.
Bowler's name?
Soham bowler.
दिव्यान
The bowler, Divyan, batsman facing Harshvardhan. The 4th over.
दिव्यान
Dot ball. Another dot ball.
Divyan bowling very smartly to Harshvardhan.
Harshvardhan under pressure. And
इन लोगों ने बेल्स रखा है इन लोगों में नहीं रखा है ना बेल्स का मगर इन लोगों ने बेल्स का रखा है अरे बेल्स नहीं गिरा उसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ
नॉट आउट है.
and that's good fielding again. One-handed pick up and throw.
The reason the batsman was not out पिछले बॉल पे क्योंकि बेल्स नहीं गिरे थे.
And that's misfield.
And
2
because
runs
of
taken.
a misfield, it is 2 runs.
Last ball of the over.
A brilliant
Great
shot by
shot.
Rishik. And
No, it's not a four. Not a four. Not a four. And that's an overthrow. No.
it just missed the boundary from this much.
We missed the first boundary of AMPL 7.
25 for over.
A brilliant shot by Rishik, but nonetheless.
4 25 runs, 2 wickets.
Soham bowler.
4 overs, 25 runs, 2 wickets.
रिदान रामचंद्र नहीं है शायद 2 है एक ही है तो शायद बड़ों में ऐसा है बड़ों में ऐसा है
बड़ों में भी है.
4 overs, 25 runs, 2 wickets. The next bowler is no. The captain has changed his decision at the last. The next bowler is Soham.
Ridan a bit disappointed.
Captain change in the field. That was a close call.
Rishik reminds me of a young Malav.
I don't think that was a compliment. That's a dead ball.
तो मैं रनिंग करता हूँ सीधा मना करता हूँ.
Again a dead ball.
Dead ball.
Soham has bowled only one legal delivery in this over till yet. A brilliant shot by Rishik.
Do we have the first
boundary? Yes. This is AMPL 7's first boundary.
First boundary of AMPL 7 by Rishik.
A brilliant shot by Rishik in the bowling of Soham. Rishik is playing a captain's inning. And that's a wide ball.
Wide ball.
रोहित को पता.
And that could be another boundary. That's a four. 2 back-to-back fours by Rishik. 1 on the leg side, 1 on the offside.
Brilliant batting by Rishik. 2 back-to-back fours in the 5th over. ऋषिक की फैन फॉलोइंग बढ़ती जा रही है यहाँ पे.
And how has paced his innings, accelerating just when required. That's another good pull shot. Another single. And that's a run out. And that's a run out.
Harshvardhan.
What's going on?
A big misunderstanding between Rishik and Harshvardhan, and
That's a
Harshvardhan is
wicket
out.
thrown away.
थ्रो
Yuvan. Yuvan.
नहीं इनमें सब इक्वल है. हाँ 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 हम लोग देते हैं आपको.
Yuvan.
बड़े हो इसलिए
To a player.
और ऐसे ही सबको आपको नहीं दे पाएंगे.
Good.
So on strike, the new batsman is Ayan. And a substitute fielder from the opposing team is Yuvan.
What a great sight. An opposition player willing to be able to field.
Yuvan has to be fair. And a brilliant shot by Ayan.
Score for the loss of 3 wickets.
And that's a dead ball.
Dead ball.
So a 2 bounce and a bounce outside the mat is a dead ball. And a brilliant shot by Rishik. Good, brilliant field lead.
Good fielding. That's a missed runner.
That's a miss run out by Vithabhya.
No. 38. 5 overs, 38 runs, 3 wickets. Last over of the first innings.
Now
Last
this is the
over.
last over, and the bowler is Ridhan.
मैंने भी देखा. पर वो क्या एक बेल्स गिर गया था तो अंपायर ने लगा दोनों गिर गए.
Next bowler Ridhan, on strike Rishik, the captain. जो
Last
captain
over.
innings खेल रहा है.
And that's a wicket.
And
Crucial wicket.
Ridhan has taken the wicket of Rishik. First ball, but the well played innings by Rishik. A big round of applause for Rishik. Next batsman, Suryash.
What brilliant inning by Rishik.
What a brilliant innings by Rishik, and he was out in the last over.
Suyash, a left-handed batsman.
The second left-handed batsman. Sorry, Yuvan was the first. Final over, second ball. The captain still making the changes. And that's not out.
Good throw. I'd request the captains of the next two teams to be ready.
Hello. The third ball of the final over. Ridan.
And that's another great
And that's another wicket.
Another run out. Wicket stumbling. Pushpa Warrior.
Now that's another run out. Ayan.
5 wickets down.
Well played.
Well played, Ayan. The next player, Daksh. This is the fourth ball.
Suryash on strike. Ridan to bowl. Last over. And that's a wicket. That's a wicket.
Another wicket.
Suryash had no other choice but to hit. It's the last over of the innings. He had to accelerate.
And that was a team hat-trick.
Team hat-trick. नहीं.
कैच किसने पकड़ा? दिव्यान
Next batsman Jayaditya.
दिव्यान ने कैच पकड़ा ना सोहम? दिव्यान खेलने दो ना, इट्स ओके.
The next batsman is Jayaditya.
Another left-handed batsman. Great shot. A single already taken. Batsman attempting the two. No.
And it's a
Finally
single.
they settle for a single.
The final ball of the innings. Ridan to bowl the final ball of the innings. It's not a no ball.
It's not a no ball. It's a dot ball.
It's a dot ball. And the final score is
41 to win.
40.
the first match between AM Blasters and AM Royals.
And
इधर सामने.
Rudra, can we have a few words from you about how do you think about AMPL 7 and the team composition?
Yes, I'm very excited to play. The team is all fit and ready, and we are hoping to win this match now.
Fantastic, Rudra. Now we go to Agastya. Agastya, your thoughts on AMPL 7 and how is the team ready for the first match?
Our team is very ready. They are fit. They are ready to play the match.
Fantastic. You guys go up. Look forward to a fantastic game. We are ready for the toss. Agastya to call. and it's a tail. So Rudra has won the toss and has elected to
Field first.
Rudra AM Royals has elected to field first. Agastya and team are going to bat first.
So we are on the start of the second innings. The game changers have a target of 41 in 6 overs.
41 to win, 6 overs. Pushpa Warriors ready. We have the 2 batsmen ready.
एक मिनट दिव्यान दूसरा बैट्समैन विठप है ना विठप एंड बॉलर
Bowler.
Bowler name is Arnav.
41 to win. We are all set.
6 overs.
6 overs.
41. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग मुकाबला लग रहा है.
And
a brilliant ball and a brilliant field. And it's a dead ball. It's a dead ball. It's a dead ball. One ball, 0 runs. Another dead ball.
Good shot. A single taken.
And
First single of the innings.
a brilliant fielding by Rishik again.
Good shot. That's another single. Well fielded. And that's a dot ball. Good keeping by UV. And that's a misfield by UV. UV.
हमने उस एक बॉल डॉट दिया था 5 बॉल
Well kept by UV.
And it's a no ball given by the umpire.
Oh, it's a no ball.
स्टंप के पीछे बॉल पकड़ना रहता है, अदरवाइज वो नो बॉल होता
The
है.
ball ahead.
ओवर.
1 over, 4 runs, no wickets.
4 कैसे हुआ 3 सिंगल है और एक नो बॉल का है
1 over, 4 runs and 0
Suryash.
wickets.
Yash is the next bowler. Suryash.
And it's a
And
no
it's a
ball.
ball.
It's
No
a no
ball.
ball.
And a single taken.
And that's a free hit. Suryash.
That's another dot ball.
Suryash is a good bowler, as everybody says, and he is redeeming himself after the no ball. And that's a dead ball.
थोड़ा पीछे खड़ा हो
और
Suryash, after the first no ball, there are 2 dot balls.
good shot. Another run.
Good shot by Vitabya.
With a family of the strike. And that could be a... It's not.
It was a very good stop at mid wicket.
That should not have been a single. Misfield. And you well done. Well backed up by UV. Well backed up by UV, the keeper.
And that's over. End of the second over. The score is 10 runs.
Wickets. No wicket.
The captain wants a bat change.
Looks like he wants a heavier bat. The light bat.
It's a newer bat with newer luck for Vitabbe. Bowler name? Yuvan. Yuvan would be bowling the third over.
Good shot.
And it's very good fielding at the boundary.
And game changers need to accelerate. It's 41 to win. Dead
It's a
ball. The scoring has to move forward. And good running. Where's that good running? That's great running. Great running. 2 runs.
It is a very good running between wickets. Overthrow. It gave them 2 runs.
Some urgency showed by game changers. They need to. And then no ball again.
The wicketkeeper has to collect the ball after the stumps, otherwise it's a no ball. This is the second time Pushpa Warriors are getting a no ball because of it.
Good shot. And it's out. Great catch. It's a no ball. It's a no ball.
Free hit था.
It was a free hit.
It was a free hit, but it was a brilliant catch by the fielder. Nonetheless, it was a free hit. That's the batsman is not out. It's a dead ball again.
UV needs to bowl the ball ahead. And that's a great shot. Straight down the ground forwards. What a shot.
What a shot by the player!
What a shot.
Straight
That
ground
is
to
the
ground.
acceleration. That is the acceleration that the game changers need.
One of the best shots of the day.
19 runs. 19 for no loss.
Another
shot
good shot
again.
by Divyansh.
Certainly game changers have picked the run rate. 21 for no loss. And that could be a boundary. Will it be a boundary? No, it is not a boundary, but overthrows. A lot of sloppiness from Pushpa Warriors, giving away runs. 18 balls, 18 to win. What a game. What a start to AMPL 7.
So 3 overs, 23 runs for the loss of 0 wickets. 18 balls, 18 to win. Close match. Rishik the captain to bowl. On the first ball, that's a single. Captain bowling the second ball now of the 4th over. And that's a great catch! A brilliant catch by Rishik. Caught on ball.
Caught and bowled, and Divyank having to step out of the
A
ground.
brilliant innings by Divyan. A brilliant innings by Divyan. Now the batsman coming
Ridan.
in, 1 down.
No, not required. Sequence is not required.
Sequence is on
Sequence is not required.
Only top
Any
five,
of the top
any-
5 can come.
The next batsman The next batsman is Adrit. One down, Adrit. The bowler is Rishik.
ऋषिक अंपायर को बोल दो पहले से भाग रहा है.
And that's a boundary. And that's a boundary. What a shot. The game changers are literally turning the game around. It's a game changing moment. Oh, that's a drop. That's a drop. Bad drop.
That's a catch missed
UV
by
just
UV
missing out.
on the bowling of Rishik.
And that's a drop catch again. Pushpa Warriors have been very sloppy in the field.
Too many overthrows and too many catch drops. And that's an over. 4 overs, 29 runs for the loss of 1 wicket.
12 balls, 12 runs needed. What a close contest this is going to be.
एक मिनट.
Bowler's name?
उनका नाम क्या है? अंपायर अंपायर अंपायर.
Jai Aditya.
The bowler is Jay Aditya.
And that's an overthrow. Pushpa Warriors need to regroup. They seem to be losing grip on the game.
एक मिनट.
Umpire, it was a no ball? No. Leg by.
Good shot. And that's another 2 runs to the score.
Another 2 runs to the score. Now the
Game
target
changers
is
inching close to victory.
10 balls 8 runs. 10 बॉल में 8 रन चाहिए. क्या ये लास्ट ओवर तक जाएगा मैच? And it's a good appeal by Yuvan and it's not out. 9 balls 8 runs required.
Great shot. Will it be 2? And that's 2 runs to the score.
Yes, another 2 runs. Brilliant batting by Adrit. 8 balls 6 runs.
8 balls, 6 runs.
Another brilliant shot by Adrit and another 2 runs. 4 runs required in 7 balls. Last ball of the over. Umpire, 1 ball. 1 to go.
Another 2 runs. Game changers.
हो गया ना अभी हो गया.
Game changers.
One shot.
One shot.
One
One
shot.
shot.
So that will only be a single. Vitapia was short in his crease.
3 runs needed.
1 over, 3 runs required.
Can captain.
And there is a new bowler. The bowler name is
युवान bowler. ईशान.
Pushpa Warriors.
Ishan is the new bowler.
ईशान.
6 balls, 3 runs required. And it's
That's
a dot ball.
ball.
मैच
Good
बहुत
dot
ही
ball.
close होते हुए 5 बॉल में 3 रन चाहिए.
And that's a catch. No! That's a drop catch. Abhishek, Pushpa Warriors have to do something about their fielding.
They need to do a lot of fielding practice. अगर आपने नोटिस किया रहेगा तो मैच के पहले सामने वाली टीम फील्डिंग प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी, ये
हाँ।
बॉलिंग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे.
और एक single. And the scores are equal.
The scores are equal.
1 to win.
3 balls, 1 run. Vithabhya, the captain on strike. It's the captain on strike.
And the captain.
The first match has been won by the Game Changers.
Game changers.
A brilliant batting performance.
Beta, handshake with everybody.
I'll request the Game Changers to come inside. We'll have a shake hand with the opposite team.
Can we request the next team to be on the ground, please?
पहले इन लोगों का सेकंड होने देना.
हाँ वो ही बोल दिया.
I'll request all the players to shake hands with each other. Kindly shake hands with each other. Shake hands, shake
Shake hands
hands.
with each other. Shake hands.
A very well played match between Game Changers and Pushpa Warriors.
Well played. Captain, well played.
What a start to AMPL 7. What a start. A close match going till the last over. Some misfields, some runouts. I think that was the game.
अच्छा अभी इन लोग के मैच में पावर
AM Royals, request you all to be on the ground, please. ASAP. AM Royals, please be on the ground. Rudra, we need to quickly start the match.
It is AM Royals versus AM Blasters.
Blasters.
ये हमारे इमर्जिंग टैलेंट है.
Gopal, photographer, you are needed. Gopal, photographer, you are needed.
We will have a team photograph. All. We will have a team photograph.
Team
Before you
photograph.
go to your